Hello and welcome to CBM-POT with me, Chef Bill Mkono Manene Kowet mbaya sana. Today I'm preparing coconut fish kachumbari served with ugali or pap in South Africa or fufu in Nigeria. Manene Kowet mbaya sana. Na utamu reloaded. CBM-POT cooking blending memories. And today in my menu I'm preparing a very simple dish, very sexy, very beautiful, exquisite, mautamu reloaded. Let's get into cooking. In my sufuria, I will put some oil and chopped onions, red onions, and I'll sprinkle just a little bit of salt to get rid of that acidity and increase my flavor in that food. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. I'll sweat the onions. After some time, the onions are turning brown very well. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. And then I will add my ginger, my crushed ginger garlic, just a little bit. And when we're using your ginger garlic, always remember, guys, never ever burn your garlic because it will make your food bitter and not with a very bad taste. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. And then after that, I will add my chopped tomatoes. And then I will stir just a little bit. After some time, I will add just a little bit of water so that my tomatoes can continue boiling and incorporating all the flavors in that sufuria or pan, if you like, to incorporate all the flavors in that sauce. And then I will add my sugar. The sugar is for eradicating the pungent taste, the tanginess on your tongue. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. The tanginess ni hapo nyuma kwa ulimi. When you have swallowed your food, that bitter taste that remains on your tongue after you have swallowed your food. And that acidity is from the tomatoes. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. I will crush the tomatoes as I continue reducing the sauce and intensifying the flavor in my sauce. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. Motamu reloaded. And this is CBM-POT cooking blending memories. After some time reducing the sauce, I will continue breaking down the sauce because I want a very smooth consistency. And then I will add my desiccated coconut, or if you have fresh coconut, you can also use, but I'm using my desiccated coconut that is available. And then I will stir just a little bit, and then I will not let it burn. After some time, I will add enough water, or if you have any type of stock, you can use. If you have any type of stock, you can use here, but I'm using just pure water. And this is the place you adjust your seasoning. Yeah, you have to make sure you adjust your seasoning before you put your fish. Motamu reloaded. CBM-POT cooking blending memories. Maneno iko wet mbaya. After adjusting your seasoning, this is the point now. You have to make sure all the seasoning is on point. And then I will put my tilapia in the sauce. Just look at that. It looks so beautiful. Oh my days. The aroma in this house is so amazing. Just look at that fish. It's so amazing, so vibrant, so beautiful, exquisite. Vitu sexy. You know, something sexy is something that you just look at it and you feel like eating. Just look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. I will let the fish continue boiling and simmering so that it can absorb as much flavor as possible from the sauce. Yeah, because when you cook with a lot of it, it will disturb the cooking process of the fish because fish is very fragile. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. After some time, you see the sauce has reduced. After some time, the fish is cooking very well. As you can see, the sauce has reduced. I will continue basting and I'll be very, very gentle because the fish is so fragile at this point. But I want to ensure the sauce is being absorbed from each part of the fish, from the bottom side and the upper side. I will continue basting. Basting is what I'm doing right now, as you can see. I'm very gentle. I'm making sure I'm continue to baste and ensure the sauce is evenly distributed and the flavor is being absorbed evenly. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana, Motamu Reloaded CBM-POT. And this is my kachumbari. It contains tomatoes, red onions, coriander, or you can use dill or basil if you like or if you have. It's a very, very simple salad that you can make, and then you can use your vinegar, or if you don't have your vinegar, you can use your fresh lemons or lime. So maneni koet mbaya sana, you need some salt and some sugar. So if you don't know how to make kachumbari, you can check out in my YouTube channel. All the video and the recipe is there. So as I continue cooking, I will put my chopped coriander, as my fish is almost ready. Mautamu Reloaded CBM-POT cooking blending memories, and it's absolutely amazing, beautiful, exquisite. Just look at the color; it's so vibrant. The aroma is so beautiful. Oh my days! Let me tell you, this is what we do in CBM-POT cooking blending memories with me, Chef Bill Mkono. And in my menu today, I'm preparing my coconut fish kachumbari served with ugali, Motamu Reloaded, maneni kowet mbaya, CBM-POT. And my fish is ready. Just look at that. Oh my days. You just salivate. It's so beautiful, so sexy, so exquisite. You know, something sexy is just something that you just look at it and you just feel like eating. Just look at that kachumbari. So beautiful, fully packed with a lot of flavor. That fish is something that you need to do justice to eat. You just have to do it justice to it, guys. Mautamu iko hapa. I usually eat with a lot of vigor and a lot of veggies because I love beautiful things. That is the sauce to accompany the fish. Just look at that. My ugali. Ugali is a Swahili name, or you can say pap in South Africa, fufu in Nigeria. This is maize ugali. Maneni kowet mbaya sana. Just look at that. That sauce is so sexy, so delicious. And this is my meal for today. Thank you so much for watching CBM-POT with me, Chef Bill Mkono. Maneni kowet mbaya sana. Thank you so much for watching. Merci. Asanteni sana. Muchas gracias. Dank wherever you are watching. And let's meet in another video or another episode on another recipe. Maneni kowet mbaya sana. CBM-POT cooking blending memories. Motamu Reloaded. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. Siao, adios, I'm out. Chef Bill Mkono, CBM-POT. Maneno iko wet mbaya.